Good morning, peoples.
I'm tired.
Uh,
Looking all types of injuries.
it's day 3 of vacation, and I did not end the vlog well yesterday because my phone went dead, and I totally forgot about it when I got to the hotel because it was like 1 or 12 or something. It was late, and so I just went to sleep. Well, watched a little TV first, then went to sleep. But we're up this morning. I got my portable charger, even though it's not fully charged. My phone's not fully charged either. But let me take it off the charger actually. It's like 50%, but oh well. Anyways, we're walking and we're gonna get some lunch, I think. I don't know. And also I'm losing my voice, if you guys can't tell. So yeah. I'm losing my voice. No, Chase.
Y'all, we fit to go swimming after we eat.
And so yeah.
Yeah.
No, we don't have a register.
I think.
I can't even see myself. I don't know if I look good or not. But, oh, you can cut this out. I'm just looking at myself.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we just got out of IHOP. Well, me and Nene were out all like for 15 minutes because Charlie was crying. So we were already done. So we decided to just like rock Charlie and stuff. But we're walking back to the hotel, and we gotta get our swim stuff on, and we're gonna be going to the beach, which is that way. So we don't have to walk very far. And so yeah, I'm pretty excited because I haven't been to the beach since last year on the Chicago trip. But like, we went in April, and in Chicago it was really cold still, and like the water was super cold, and yeah. So hopefully the water's not cold. I don't think the water's gonna be cold. If it is, tomorrow we're gonna be going on a cruise, and the water shouldn't be cold because there's a hot tub there. So if the water's cold here, just go on the water there. So yeah. So see you there. Okay, people. So we're at the beach. It's so nice outside. I got a cramp in my foot though. Everybody's tanning, doing their own thing, and I'm just here like, what's up? So yeah, I'm gonna go have some fun now. So see you guys later, because there's not very much to record at the beach other than sand and water.
Ew! All that salt just got in my
Oh,
mouth.
Chase. Oh my God. So we're going to the ocean. The Atlantic Ocean right now. Got my water shoes, so I'm so safe. They gotta watch his back so it doesn't get stolen. This is pretty cool. Oh my gosh, sand is stuck to my foot. We're at Starbucks in the hotel. See? And I ordered the cinnamon bun, frappuccino. It should be coming out later. So I'm just waiting now. Pretty excited.
I like it.
Okay, so I gotta change my shirt to Superman because he is wearing my shirt. We got Starbucks. I got the cinnamon. I already told you guys earlier. It's really good. I don't know what we're gonna do next, but yeah. I only have 3. That's like all chasers, and then I have an extra cord. I just started it. It takes a while for it to charge on T-Tron. It takes like 3 hours. Chuck. Okay, people, so we are out in the hotel. We're gonna try to find a laundromat because today is the last day we're gonna be in this hotel, and we gotta wash our clothes for the cruise. And so, yeah, I like this hat. That's what I'm wearing. We're going to the 5th floor. So yeah. Let's go find the laundromat. Oh, is it in there? That's parking garage. Yeah. Room 500. Must be down that hallway. Cause there's. You want me to go look?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, peoples. He's in the hotel. All the way down here. Oh my gosh. Tomorrow is Cruise Day, day 1. And our thing departs at like, it departs at 4 o'clock. So this is my room. It's very small. So I started washing their clothes. But they have one and a vending machine. So they have one, and someone's washing their clothes and it's 25 cents. Yeah. And they also have vending machines and ice. See some ice, y'all. No, I want some ice though. Look at all these snacks. I only have like 25 cents though. No, 11 cents. Cheapest thing here is some crackers, just 70 cents. I want some Reese's, which is $1.35. So. And they have Advil too. I think that would be. Oh. Okay. This is a long hallway. Okay, guys, so we're going to go get some coffee, but I have to find my grandpa because he left me. I'm vlogging, that's why I wanted to wait. So we're gonna go get some coffee from
you
the first.
You better not post that, man. I got nothing. I'm telling you. You cannot do that.
So yeah, we're going into the surf shop. That's.
You want to look for female?
I think this is closed, but the store right there next to it is open. This one is open 24 hours, Grandpa. They have a surf shop. Okay. This stuff. They have all types of stuff in here. This is a 24-hour store. And then the pool's over there. So yeah. This is the store we're going to. This is the. This is Ron John.
How you figure 24 hours? Y'all been out here 24 hours?
Oh wait, this place is under construction. We gotta go across over here.
Oh man.
Maybe. No, this is not the store. This is the rentals for the surfing. See? $500 for that surfboard. Okay, so where's the store at? Ron John. Oh, right there. This is the store. So we're going to Ron John, their surf shop, seeing what they have over here. Maybe they have some taffy, maybe not. But this is exciting because I've never been to the store. See, 24. Yeah. And they have free Wi-Fi. Is it midnight? Use front entrance after midnight. At least we get to walk out. Okay. Oops. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know if y'all could see me while I had the thing down, but I had it down because I had to see what time it was when I could just look at my watch. I don't know why I did that, but wow. This is the store. Last day here. Gotta check in at like 10 o'clock. I don't know if I told you guys that. Carry my portable charger around. It's been charging since earlier today. It's not getting very far though because I've been on Snapchat and stuff. This place is... Okay. Welcome to Cocoa Beach. Hello. I'm doing good. They have a lot of stuff here. You can go shop. Wow. They do have everything. It's like a little Walmart. Not a little Walmart. They don't have food. But it's like a little thrift shop. Earbuds and stuff. See? It's pretty cool. Well, we can ask. Maybe it's upstairs or something. Let's see. 5 minutes already? Wow. Any candy? They have jelly beans. Oh, can we get these?
I don't want that. I want that, man. I don't want that. Unless you want that. Where your money?
I don't have any money. But can we try these?
No, I don't want that. Unless you want that.
Can we do that? Make a video on that? Yeah. Look good, y'all.
I don't believe it.
Okay. I don't know where the man went. Oh, let me go get him. Oh. I think it'll taste good. I like donuts. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. So we got the donuts. Thanks, Grandpa Huff. And my video ended because my dad had called me. He's on his way right now. These surfboards are so expensive. $6,000. I don't know how to surf though, and I live nowhere near an ocean. I live in the middle of the United States, so I won't need a surfboard anytime soon. Huh? Want to make a video with me on it? I'm probably got used to automatic doors. I want to make a video on it.
Man, you better open this up, man.
Okay, can you hold my phone?
Hey, how you doing? So, okay. He's about to open up some Krispy Kreme donut flavored jelly beans.
Okay.
How do they taste?
Okay.
Man, don't put the whole thing in your mouth.
I'm not. Look.
Here.
Okay.
And you gonna try to
My
post
grandpa's about to taste some Krispy Kreme donuts. Do they taste good?
it. Taste like no donut. Huh? Maybe.
They don't taste like a donut. Well,
I'm gonna get my money back. You don't taste like no donut.
I'm gonna try one. Yeah, it doesn't taste like a donut, but
That
it tastes.
chocolate one just came. Stop following me.
Hey y'all.
I came to get Laffy. I would get some taffy, saltwater taffy.
You guys want to try a donut?
He can hear you. He keep on telling me everything open and shit, right? That's because he wanted something. They got taffy over there.
I thought they did have
You know who
taffy.
does have taffy though? The drugstore.
I ain't going
And they're 24 hours.
Those are donut flavored
I
things. I want to try one.
Damn, that's what I came for, like taffy. Saltwater taffy.
How you gonna say you want to try one? I thought you already tried one.
I only tried one color. Those are donut flavored. Tell me how you like them. I'm vlogging, by the way.
But taffy don't be costing all that. But I walk over there for nothing and then taffy don't have one. Come on. Because that's what I wanted, taffy. And then that's why he always want to follow some bitch, get something.
Just FYI, both of those drugstores, they're next to each other, are open.
I did not know.
And CVS right next door.
Oh, yeah, they open 24
So
hours.
if you don't find what you're looking for,
Wait a minute. Don't follow this. You just told me it was taffy over there. I ain't going with y'all long no more. Y'all have me all walking around. I ain't going.
Oh,
Boy, what are you doing?
That's what he told me. They open.
these taste good, y'all.
Nicky.
I recommend them.
All right, if you go in there, where you going? Hey, where y'all going?
They going to
I
go.
thought you going to the drugstore. Here, they going somewhere.
You call it a cold right.
Huh? I'm telling everybody y'all going somewhere. They trying to run away.
That's the surf, not the surf shop, but this is Cocoa Beach Surf Company. So the pool.
That's what that. Yeah, Cocoa Beach Surf.
So this is Ron John, and the beach is down there.
Man,
You gotta say,
they don't have enough, and then they have like taffy.
you gotta say something for I'm running.
I ain't got nothing. Look, I ain't got that.
Okay, y'all.